Established in 2002 and registered with the capital of more than 60 million RMB, Shandong Kaer Electric Co. Limited is professionally engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of fixed wireless phones, IP phones, Wi-Fi router, Internet of Things terminals, including 2G, 3G, 4G FWP, Wi-Fi 6 router, tracker, etc. The company attaches great importance to technological innovation and has built a strong scientific research team. The company has mastered a number of core technologies in the fields of communication terminals, identity recognition, and smart education, and has obtained more than 100 patents and software copyrights. The company has obtained ISO 9001 International Quality Management System and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certificates. The products have passed CE, RoHS, FCC certificate. The company is equipped with multiple advanced SMT assembly lines, dust-free constant temperature workshop, and professional product testing laboratories, providing effective guarantee for continuous and stable products. Selling well in China, our products are also exported to USA, Europe, Latin America, Africa, Asia, Middle East, etc. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Please feel free to talk to our overseas sales team about your sourcing requirements. With strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, we are confident that your requirement will be fulfilled with satisfaction.